Struggling to haul heavy groceries or gear without breaking a sweat? Here are the 5 best folding shopping carts I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, ROSONG Collapsible Wagon. The first cart on our list is the ROSONG Collapsible Wagon, priced at $51.35. What caught my attention here is its heavy-duty design and amazing space-saving capability. If you want a reliable and compact option for your shopping needs, this is worth a serious look. Now let's talk features. You can fold it down to just 22*9, 8*7, 5, which means it'll fit in your car without a problem. The 360 degrees rotating front wheels and ergonomic handle make maneuvering a breeze even if you've loaded it up with groceries or gear. And with a steel frame and 600D Oxford fabric, it's built to withstand weight and weather, giving you peace of mind whether you're at the beach or the grocery store. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're tired of wrestling with bulky carts that don't fit your trunk or get stuck in tight spaces, the ROSONG wagon could be just what you need. It's also versatile. Whether you're going camping, grocery shopping, or gardening, this cart has got you covered. Now, some people did mention that they found the handle a little short for taller folks. Here's the thing though, if you're under 6 feet, it shouldn't be an issue, and you'll still appreciate how lightweight and easy to store it is. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable cart for various outdoor activities, but skip this one if you're particularly tall and need a longer handle. At this price point, it offers great value for what you get. Now, if the handle height of the ROSONG bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with adjustable features. Product number 2, HIKMO, an extra long wagon. Next up is the HIKMO, an extra long collapsible wagon, retailing at $73.18. What impressed me here is how much longer it is compared to standard carts, which caught my eye right away. If you often haul long items like tents or sports equipment, this wagon is definitely worth a serious look. The adjustable handle extends up to 42 inches, so it's comfortable for users of different heights. It also features 360 degrees rotating wheels for easy steering, allowing you to navigate tight corners without breaking a sweat. Plus, it folds down to save space, which is a bonus for storage. Now here's why this matters for you specifically. If you've ever struggled to carry long or heavy items, this cart size makes a huge difference. It's perfect for beach outings, gardening, or even moving items around your home. However, a few users pointed out that the setup can be a bit tricky initially. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it folds and unfolds quickly, and that convenience makes it worthwhile. This is ideal for anyone needing to haul heavier or longer items without hassle. Skip this if you prefer a more compact design for smaller loads. For the price, you're getting a durable and functional cart. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a dual-purpose design. Product number 3, KDSUM 2-in-1 shopping cart. Coming in at $89.87 is the KDSUM 2-in-1 shopping cart. What caught my eye is its innovative design that combines a shopping cart with a hand truck. If you want versatility for various tasks, this cart is definitely worth a closer look. This model supports up to 330 pounds and features a waterproof tote bag, ensuring your groceries stay dry even in unexpected weather. The all-terrain wheels make navigating stores and sidewalks a breeze, and it folds up nicely for storage. It's perfect for grocery shopping, laundry, or even transporting crafts, a real multitasker. What's great about this is the peace of mind it provides. If you're sick of carts that can't handle different surfaces or weather conditions, this one fits the bill nicely. Plus, the portability and compact storage options make it convenient for any household. But some reviews mention that the wheels could be a bit stiff at first. Here's the thing though, after some use, they loosen up and roll smoothly, making it a minor issue in the grand scheme of things. This is great for anyone who needs a reliable, multi-purpose cart. Avoid it if you're looking for something extremely lightweight, as it's a bit bulkier than other options. Despite the price, it's a solid investment for its versatility. Now, if you need something more straightforward, the next product simplifies things while still offering terrific performance. Product number 4, Debist Products Trolley Dolly. Next is the Debist Products Trolley Dolly, which has a price tag that's hard to beat. I love how lightweight it is at just under 4 pounds, making it super easy to carry. If you want something simple yet effective for light grocery runs, this cart is worth considering. This cart holds up to 110 pounds and features oversized wheels that can tackle various terrains, which is impressive given its size. The removable bag with 7 pockets means you can stay organized while shopping, and the rubberized grip handle makes it comfortable to use. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're looking for an affordable and lightweight option for quick trips, this cart can save your back from heavy lifting. It's designed for easy transport, which is exactly what many of us need when we're out and about. Some users mention that the bag can detach unintentionally at times. But here's the deal, if you're careful when loading it, this shouldn't be a significant issue. This is perfect for those who want a lightweight and simple cart. However, skip it if you need to carry heavier items frequently. For its price, it's a great value for casual use. Now, if you want something that can handle bigger loads, let's talk about the next product on our list, which really steps it up. Product number 5, TOLRET Collapsible Shopping Cart. Finally, we have the TOLRET Collapsible Shopping Cart, priced at $346.71. I know it's on the pricier side, but the features really stand out. If you need a heavy-duty cart that can handle a serious load, this one is worth your attention. This cart boasts a remarkable capacity of 200 pounds on its top platform and 110 pounds on the bottom. The adjustable handle allows you to customize your grip angle, which is a nice touch for comfort. With quiet wheels and a lightweight aluminum frame, it's built for easy maneuverability while remaining durable. What's great about this one is its versatility. It works for anything from grocery shopping to transporting items in a warehouse. If you're looking for a long-term investment in a cart that won't let you down, this could be the right choice. However, some users noted it can be a bit bulky when folded. Here's the thing though, if you have the space for it, you'll appreciate the capacity and functionality it offers. This is perfect for anyone needing a reliable and sturdy cart for larger hauls, but skip this if you want something compact or primarily for light use. When it comes to quality, it's a solid option, though it's on the higher end of the price spectrum. Now let's wrap up with a quick comparison of all 5 products. So to quickly recap, the ROSONG Collapsible Wagon is a solid all-around choice for various activities. The HIKMON Extra Long Wagon is perfect for those needing extra length. The KEDSUM 2-in-1 is your best bet for versatility. The Debist Products Trolley Dolly offers simplicity, and the TOLRET Collapsible Shopping Cart is for heavy-duty needs. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the HIKMON Extra Long Wagon because it combines length and capacity beautifully for all sorts of scenarios. The one I'd advise avoiding is the TOLRET Collapsible Shopping Cart if you're looking for something more budget-friendly without sacrificing quality. Check the description for all the links. Let me know in the comments which one you're going with.